guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxanne and today I have a twerk choreography tutorial for you to try at home. It's super easy, it's just a few simple steps all put together, and if you've already done my twerk tutorials on my channel then it's going to be very easy for you because you already have the technique. If you haven't, don't worry, it's perfect for beginners. I already taught this choreo on my Instagram live and it went down really well, so much so that those who missed it wanted to give it a shot. So here it is. Let's start. Okay, so for the first 8 counts, we're going to start in our regular twerk stance. So we're going to go down, hands on the knees, arch the back, booty nice and low, and we're going to twerk up and down for 8 counts. So we're going to go up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 8 counts. Then next, we're going to twerk, bringing our knees in and out. So I'm going to twerk in, out, out, 5, 6, and then for 7, 8, I'm gonna just take my hips round in a circle. And as I do so, I'm gonna bring my feet together so that I can do the next move. So again, from the top, we have first 8 counts, up and down, simple twerk. We go up first, we go up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then in, out, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, good. And then after this, we have the TikTok. So we're gonna throw our booty in a square. So we're gonna go up, right, down, left, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, last time, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll take it round, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we do 3 TikToks, and you can go anywhere you want to. It doesn't matter if you want to go up, right, da, da, or up, left, da, da, as long as you just do it. So from the top again, we have our first 4 So from the top again, we have our first 8 counts with our regular twerk. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then in, out, 5, 6, bring it round. Then we tick-tock. 2, 3, 4, and again. 6, 7, 8. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, then round. Yes. Then the next move, we're going to bring our hands out to the side. And you're going to bend down like nice and low, bouncing the knees. And you're going to pop right, left, right. So here, I'm using the bounce of my knees to flick my booty up. 1, 2, 3. You can also add some chest in it when you do it. So if I show you from the front, from the side, it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So we're really playing with the lyrics here. So first we're going 1, 2, 3. Hands are here. I'm going to bring it up. Aye. And then we do this little hip break, also 3 times. So then we go right, left, right, 4, grab your booty. And then I'm going to do the same hip breaks and slide my hands down. Right, left, right, aye. And then here I go round the circle. So I just take my booty down, bend my left leg, bend my right leg, straighten my left leg, straighten my right leg. Yes, yes. So again, just from that section where we go here. So first we go right, left, right, hands up, then right, left, right, grab your back, then right, left, right, bring it up, then round, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we go from the top with our first 8 counts on 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in, out, 7, 8. Then tick, tock, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open it out. Then 1, 2, 3. Hands up. Then right, left, right, and slap. And 1, 2, 3, take it down and round. Bring it up. Good. So now we're down to our last section. So just before that, we went down and we did a little circle with our booties. We went 1, 2, 3, and then for 4, you're gonna flick your hair up. Come back up because then we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna pop right, left, right, left. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cap, 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 cap. And that's it. So, we're going from the top. We have our taps up and down on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then in, out, 5, 6, round, tip top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 2, 3, 4, and round. Then we pop to the right. We go 1, 2, 3, ha, and down. 2, 3, slap and down. 2, 3, slap and round. Then we flick it up. Go around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, and again. 2, 3, 4. Bring it down, 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 down. Yes, yes. Let's try with the music, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, are we ready? Let's go, guys.
Mira, DJ.
5, 6,
Dile a ella
7,
que me
8.
lo ponga pa' atrás. Tra, 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 tra. Aquí la vamos a montar. Tra, tra, vamos a montarla. Tra, 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 montarla. Tra, tra, vamos a montarla. Pónteme de espalda. Ahí. Aquí la vamos a montar. Ahí, 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 ahí. Aquí la vamos a montar. Ahí, ahí, ahí. Mira, DJ. Dile a ella que me lo ponga pa' atrás. Tra, 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 tra.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you want more of these. And if you do post it on like Instagram or Facebook or whatever, please tag me so I can see it. All my credentials are in the description below. And I'll see you next time. Hey.